Now today we will be cooking a popular Jamaican style chicken, which is a good alternative to deep fried chicken. Now this style of chicken combines various ingredients and cooking technique. Now it is common to find that most Jamaicans like to wash their chicken with vinegar before they add the seasoning. We also like to season our food well. Now chicken is a good source of lean protein, but the way how you cook it and the ingredients that you use determine the health benefits. Now in this recipe I remove most of the skin off the chicken and I'm using a lot of natural herbs and spices to flavor the meat. Now there is hardly any dish that I prepare without garlic. It is loaded with flavor and it has a lot of health benefits. Now onion is also another ingredient that I use in many dishes. Now this recipe is a great alternative to deep fried chicken because you use less oil and you add a lot of vegetables to the dish. So if you're someone that likes deep fried chicken but you decide that you need to step up your health game, then this is a great alternative. You can add lots of veggies, you remove the skin, which removes a lot of the fat, and you're using less oil. You can even take it a step further by using olive oil or coconut oil. These are much healthier alternative to corn oils. Many people believe that eating healthy means you have to compromise on taste, but that's not necessarily so. You can choose healthy, good quality ingredients and use various style of cooking technique, and that will be a great way to make the dish healthier. I work in healthcare and I see the effects of a poor diet every day. Making healthier food choices is essential for several reasons. The first reason is your long-term health. Eating healthy can contribute to your long-term well-being and reduce the risk of various health issues. Healthier choices can boost your energy levels and keep you feeling more vibrant and active. Another reason to make healthier choices is for weight management. If you're concerned about your weight, choosing dishes like this Jamaican style chicken is a great way to keep a healthier balance. One fantastic thing about this Jamaican style chicken is that it's an age-old tradition that has been enjoyed for generations. The butter I'm adding to the dish is made from olive oil, which is a great alternative to regular butter. Jamaican cuisine is famous for its bold and exciting flavors, and this dish is no exception. This cooking technique makes the chicken tender and juicy. By embracing traditional dishes like this, we can enjoy fantastic flavors while we move towards healthier eating. This dish is a flavorful journey for your taste buds, so the next time you're craving fried chicken, consider giving this dish a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes and healthier eating tips. Now before you go, check out this clip from my beautiful island of Jamaica.
Hi Dave!